My beautiful friends, how are you doing? Mdogs has just pulled off one of the shadiest moves I've seen so far from these Telegram mini app games. We ain't gonna be able to withdraw all of our Mdogs allocation, ladies and gentlemen. As we can see right here, if you click on this unlock Mdogs, you can see that there are unlocked schedules, okay, that span even up to 2026. It is pretty obvious here that every month I'm gonna get these amounts unlocked. This is a shady move and doesn't speak well at all about the devs of this project. Okay, if you click on this right here, you can see here that I actually got about 5 million. Okay, but you can see that it is locked. If I click on TG box, I can only, the funny thing is that I can only withdraw this amount, okay, to Bitget, and that's because of my level. I am on the gold level. If you're on a lower level, you might not be able to withdraw even up to this amount. And I've got this other thing going on here. They've got this thing they call the TGE box. If you click on join the TGE box, they will prompt you to spend some stars to get some Mdogs, and these ones are not going to be locked. You'll be able to withdraw them to Bitget, and you'll be able to also sell them on the 23rd of this month. Okay, I don't know who they expect to spend more stars after this shady move, this pathetic move. I don't know who they expect. Of course, some people are gonna spend their stars, but I am not going to be one of those people, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're wondering how you can withdraw, there are two options here. You can do off-chain claim, that is to Bitget, or you can decide to do on-chain claim to your Ton wallet. Okay, Bitget will be a good option if it is available in your country. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can withdraw to Bitget. Click on withdraw to Bitget, and that's gonna show you this page. All you have to do is to go to your Bitget mobile app, get your UID and deposit address, and key them in here and click submit. On your Bitget app, go to this, click on it, and copy your UID here, fam. And after that, the next thing is going to be go to your assets section, or you can simply click on add funds, and that's gonna show you this. Okay, so click on deposit crypto, and that's gonna show you this page, fam. So all you have to do is to search for Mdogs. This is gonna show, click on it. This is going to be your deposit address, so you will have to copy this and go back and paste them here, and after that just click on submit. So this is what I'm going to receive on the 23rd of this month, fam. Okay, how much are you able to withdraw to your Bitget account? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this? This is obviously a scam in my opinion. I do not like how they're doing this at all. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. This is it for this video. This is Big Bees and this guy Ken. Sign off for now. Let's go.